Hello there Spybot users, and welcome back to the Safer Networking YouTube channel. My name is Rob from TeamSpybot, and in today's video we will be performing a scan in safe mode. Let's get started with today's tutorial. Safe mode is a diagnostics mode in Windows. This allows you to load a basic version of Windows where only the essential services are running. Performing a scan in safe mode allows you to run the scan without interference from any other programs, which could be interfering with the scanning process. Some malware is able to prevent detection in a normal boot of Windows, as well as being able to prevent their removal if they are detected. This is why it can be useful to run a scan in safe mode, so that malware can be removed without issue. To enter safe mode in Windows 10, click on the Windows Start menu icon, then press the Power button. Hold down the Shift key, then click on Restart. In the next window, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings, then click on Restart. You will then be presented with a number of startup options. Press F5 to boot into safe mode with networking. We may need to download the latest Spybot updates, so we must select the option with networking enabled. Enter your login details in the login screen to begin working in safe mode. After logging into Windows, you'll notice that it lists safe mode in each corner and that the desktop will have a black background. Now we can open Spybot and run a scan. To open Spybot, right-click on the Spybot Start Center desktop icon, then choose Run as Administrator. First, download the latest Spybot updates if you have not already done so, then click on Scan System. This will open the system scan in another window and the scan will begin. We will let the scan run, then return to it upon completion. The scan is now finished and we are presented with the scan results window. Here you can review the detected items and select what items you would like Spybot to remove, then press the Fix Selected button. Once the items have been fixed, a green tick will appear beside each successfully removed item. You can then close Spybot and restart your PC. So that's it for today's video on performing a scan in safe mode. I'd like to thank you all for watching and hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or queries, please get in touch by sending an email to teamspybot@spybot.info or by using the request support page in the support center on our website. I've been Rob from TeamSpybot. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, keep on searching, keep on destroying. See you guys soon.